Bright MLS allows agents to edit information on listings that have been created in the system. Simply go to My Listings, click on Add and Edit Listings to make sure that you're on the Manage Listings page. This is where you'll be able to access all of your listings. You can sort for your listings. You can search in the More Search options here to find the listings that you need to adjust. For each listing, there is an Edit button, which allows you to go into listing management to make adjustments for that particular listing. Once the correct listing is found, click the Edit button to the right of the main photo. And this will bring you into listing management. Once you're in listing management, you can make the adjustments necessary. For example, if you need to change your list price, simply click on the price itself and adjust the price. The current price will be changed as soon as you click out of that box. To change the status on your listing, simply click the Status drop-down and select the new status. We have all of these status option definitions built into the system, so you'll easily be able to tell which is the right status. If you want to hide this options help, you can do so by clicking Hide Options Help. If you need to edit your remarks for your listing, simply click on the left side Remarks and Internet Settings. This will jump you down to the Remarks section, where you can go through and edit your remarks. Your remarks for public are listed first, agent private is listed second, and office private is listed at the end. Remember, you have up to 4,000 characters for each of your remarks descriptions, and you have the ability to adjust the box by clicking and holding down your mouse on the lower right-hand corner. After all of your edits have been entered, to publish the listing with your changes, click the Publish button in the top right corner. You can only publish a listing if all required fields are completed. If the listing has never been published and is not being published now, you'd like to save this as a draft, simply click the back arrow next to the address in the top left-hand corner. This will save it as an unpublished listing. Note, unpublished listings will remain in your Add and Edit Listings screen for 30 days. After 30 days, they are automatically deleted from the system, but you can easily extend these days by clicking on the Edit button and making a change, and then resaving the listing. That will restart the counter. If you're working from a listing that was previously published and live in the MLS, there will be an additional pop-up that happens, whether you hit the Publish button or if you hit the Back button. With this pop-up, it simply says you're not done yet. The system's trying to figure out what you'd like to do with the changes you just made to your listing. So let's walk through them. Publish changes. This will make your changes available to all search sites. Discard changes. This option will discard any edits you may have made since you last published, and the listing will be unlocked. Remember, when you click that Edit button, the listing locks, and therefore no one else can edit the listing. So if you want to discard the changes, then it will become unlocked. Save as a 1-hour draft. This allows you to temporarily save your changes for 1 hour while you perform other tasks. This listing will be unavailable to others during the time, meaning other agents to edit. After that 1 hour passes, the information reverts back to what was previously in the system before you made changes. If you do not want this information to disappear, simply click Edit Listing and then the back arrow to choose this method of saving. The final option here is to cancel. This will simply return you to the listing management page where you can continue to edit and make additional changes to your listing. It won't cancel you to go back to your managed listings page, but simply go back into the edit form so that you can make additional edits. On the Manage Listings page, we also have a quick edit feature. This is for published listings only, but you have access to quickly edit your expiration date, your pricing, right from the dashboard. So if it's underlined, you can edit it. So your expiration date, you simply click on that. A calendar will pop up and you can choose the next date. You can also go over to the price. It's underlined, so click on the price and then you can update the price from this dashboard. And same thing with status. If you click on the active status, you can quickly change it to the status that you need. You can also edit your listing through search. So if you're on the search page and your listing comes up, there's a little icon. It looks like a pencil. If you click on that, you'll be able to edit your full listing within listing management. Now, if the listing is already checked out, you will be notified who has it locked for editing so that you can coordinate with your either assistant or teammate so that you can make the necessary edits. This feature allows agents, brokers, office managers, and anyone who has permission to edit the listing to be able to do so in one click.